Keep on, I said it ain't gon' stop. It ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
I'm gonna be unboxing this 75-inch UHD TV from Samsung. It's a 7100 series. I know it's not the greatest TV, but it was a good sale and couldn't beat the price. So I know the best ones like the QLEDs and the OLEDs and the, you know, I know those are better TVs, but they're also better money. So I'm gonna be unboxing this. Put my cardboard out. Really need two people to do this, but I'm doing it myself. That's what you don't want. Yeah, box is fine. You don't care about the box. You don't want the TV for. So basically, got your remote, your books, and you know what this is: cords, plugs, batteries. Good with that. Let me do something with this box. And the TV's backwards. Quick setup guide so you know what you're doing quickly. Cool with that. TV stand, something light. I like that. I'm not gonna have a TV stand. I'm gonna have it on over the fireplace mantle. I got one of them too. So that over here. That over here. So as you see, they pack it really well. This is the front. The face, so I'm just going to use what they have to set it on the ground and get it going. So, but I'm going to show you guys first. Get this. I like that they have this because I'm just going to use this and put it on the ground. Use it for measurements and for but here's the TV. Not much you can see. I'm not gonna take it out as plastic because, like I said, I gotta put the mantle on. Gotta get another person over here so I can get it together. Let me just take it off real quick and I'll put it back on just to show. Since this is an unboxing. To show a little bit of the TV. Whew. Looks good, got the plastic on it. So that's good. Okay. Is this tape? Oh no, that's like plastic. Make sure it wasn't taped like on the screen. That wouldn't be good. Yeah, let me see if I can get this out of here, out of the box. stuff. So as you can see the TV. Beautiful TV. Gonna be going up there. Got the fireplace mantle because I got the fireplace mantle because I'm gonna do when you hang a TV above the fireplace, it's too high for your head, for your neck, so you can have issues. So it comes, I got a mantle that comes down, and my boy Albie was the first person to show me that. If I can, I'll put a link in the description to his business. He has that, he installs TVs and equipment and things of that nature. So if you need an install, call him. I do everything myself just because I know how to do it, but I know a lot of people don't, so I recommend him. Alright, so this has just been the unboxing, so I'll get over with y'all.
Hip hop, I feel I gotta say, who am I? You might say influence, and I spit better than most in this game.